Hi friends, and welcome to Osborne Insider, where you can get the latest information about our products, installation tips, and other news. Today, we are looking at some of our versatile square furniture feet. These tapered feet can be used anywhere, including traditional and contemporary spaces. First, we have part 4082, which is a 4-sided tapered foot with a 4-inch height. This can be used to support couches, dressers, ottomans, entertainment centers, and more. Next is the Brasselton Square Tapered Foot, which is part 408414. This square design is also 4 inches tall and tapers on all 4 sides. Has a carved groove at the top of the foot that adds the perfect decorative touch when you are aiming for a simple, elegant look. Lastly, we have part 6141, which is a 2-sided tapered foot. It is a taller piece with a 6-inch height, which is great for lifting up large furniture pieces or adding height to your build. These are just a few of our square tapered designs. We also offer table lays and island posts and similar profiles so you can incorporate this modern look throughout your entire home. Each wooden component is sanded and ready to finish with multiple wood species to choose from. Thank you for joining me for this Osborne Insider. If you would like to stay updated with our newest content, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, I hope you take the opportunity to build something beautiful.